to my channel. Hope you're all well and doing good out there. If you're not new to this channel, welcome. If you are new, welcome again. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, so let's just get on with it. This month's Halloween box is the Midnight Fantasy from GLOSSYBOX. You can have Fairy Tale or Midnight Fantasy, and I got this one. So this one is, well, GLOSSYBOX is £10 a month plus £3 postage and packaging, and it's every month, so you can get over £50 worth of products in here. So yeah, let's get into it. The October version, Halloween version, whatever you want to call it. Today I'm a cat, so let's get on with it. So it's very nice blue. You got all these like flowers, owl, wolf, little moon bear. Got the GLOSSYBOX logo. All that on the side there. Very glossy. What's that? Fairy Tale. Very glossy Fairy Tale. There you go. Oh yeah, you got that one. GLOSSYBOX logo on the back. And you got that on the back too. So yeah, open it up. Ooh. And there we go. I think I have another GLOSSYBOX coming because I made a mistake of signing up again. I don't know why it let me sign up again when I've already got a subscription, but that cost me £11 and I wanted a refund, but they haven't given me a refund, so I'm not very happy with that. So I'll show you what the other box is going to be like. Right, the first thing that I pull out is this Look Fantastic foundation finder. You can scan it, and it says on the back here, find your perfect foundation shade in an instant, only at lookfantastic.com. Scan the QR code on the front of this colour card and follow the link. Answer 3 simple questions about your preferred foundation coverage and skin type. Take a selfie and discover the best foundation for you. So you got hold up, camera, and to the piece de resistance. You got this nice gold packaging. Open it up, try not to rip it, which I sometimes do. Oh dear. Get it open. There you go. Oh, I didn't rip it. And you got, oh my god. Careful. You got the leaflet in there. Oh yeah, enchanted, not fantasy. You can either get one of the two. I got the October variation 2. That is what is on the outside box. So first thing that I've got here is this one free Graze box for a friend. I don't know why I'm wasting my time, but it's Graze. One box for a friend, whatever. So inside you get all the products here. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh shite, they're falling off. First thing that I picked out is this blush, no wait, Stargazing Blush Duo from the Beauty Crop. Right there, nice and shiny packaging. Stargazing Blush Duo Blush. I couldn't say it once, I said it twice. Using a powder brush, I'm going to try this out. Blush, yeah right, okay. Blush Duo is the perfect way to dazzle and enhance your complexion. Talc-free pressed powder, blah 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 blah. Why am I talking like shit today? I do not know. Talc-free pressed powder blush duo. It's finely milled to deliver a velvety smooth finish. Lower formula blends evenly and seamlessly to give a soft focus radiance. Duo contains one matte and one shimmer. Oh, so they can use alone or paired together for a natural glow. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to open it up. Oh, tiny. This is what it looks like on the front. Oh, cute. Stargazy. Midnight Fantasy. Oh yeah. Quite odd to open. Quite hard. Oh, okay. And that is what it looks like. You got the shade on the back. So this one here. Ooh. Okay, it's like a light brown colour. Shiny and shimmery. And the pink one. Wow. And this is one here. So I'm going to test out this one on the blush cheeks. Let's see if I've got a blooming mirror. Let's see, a little bit coming through. A little bit. Not bad. Not bad at all. Maybe you can see that. Nice subtle blend. That ain't bad at all. That's not bad. And this, if I can put it back in, yes I can. This is £18. Wow, this is a full size £18 from thebeautycrop.com. There you go. The next little thing I've got here is a surprise. I think it says surprise on it. Wait a minute. It says in a leaflet. Does it say anything about this? I do not know. Anyway, got this little tiny dark milk from Cadbury's. From Cadbury's Both Rich and Creamy Original. Oh yeah. Satire month, so that is good for me today. The next thing that I pull out is this bubble tea Stardust in the scent Rose. And this is Stardust Foaming Bath Powder, £6 or £5.99. I say 6, so it's only like a penny. Create a mood boosting concoction to bathe in thanks to this mystical stardust. Its uplifting rose scent will not only make you smell great but feel fabulous too. Simply sprinkle the foaming powder into warm bath. Once the water is running, simply slip into the potion of absorbed its invigorating powers. So yeah, that's the rose. Next thing that I've got here is Illumasque Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel, 7ml. And this is Hydra Veil Primer, part hydrator, part primer. Hydra Veil instantly hydrates and smooths the skin through a self-leveling futuristic clear gel. Vitamin C and B3 work together to help maintain your skin's hydration levels, creating a healthy looking balanced finish. Plant extracts also provide a calming and refreshing feeling, leaving skin fully prepped to apply your chosen foundation. This little thing is worth £10. Full size is £34. What? £34 for a full one. Oh, tiny, cute. I like it. This is what it looks like. It's like this. Oh, okay. At least it's sealed. Sealed with a little top. Oh my god, what the hell is that? It's like jelly. It's like jelly, dudes. Oh my god. Jelly. I can just put my finger and it feels like jelly. Holy shit. Oh god. Don't really smell of anything, like fresh smell. Not bad. Not bad. But yeah, this is £10 for a tiny one. Wow. Tiny little thing like that. Go on to ilamasque.com if you want to get one of these for £10. The next thing that I've got is this Luna by Luna lipstick. It's from Pixie. It's called Luna by Luna. And this is Pixie lipstick. It's so luscious. You'll think that it's been plucked right out of a fairy tale. Its smooth formula glides effortlessly onto your lips, covering them in a creamy and rich pigment that stays put for hours. Better yet, it won't dry. Okay. Well, I tested it earlier on. It's about 2 hours ago. It's hardly moved. There, look. And there. I'm not swearing, I'm just swatching. Wow. Yeah. Simply sweep it onto your lips with a plush looking princess worthy pout. And this is £15. 15 quid for a lipstick. Jesus. Well, I hope it stays put for that friggin' price. And that is the shade. And this is Pixie. Like I said. That is how much you're getting. Jeez. 15 quid though. Jesus, man. And the last thing that I've got is this Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. And this is a Dulux Mini. The Elixir of Youth. This face cream has all the benefits of a concentrated eye cream, but can be used on the whole face. Brewed with peptides and vitamins, this lightweight gel balances out the texture of your skin, providing intense hydration and making it firmer. Is that a word? I've just made the word up. Firmer. Yeah. Anyway. Provide intense. Wait a minute. Hydration, make it firmer after just one use. Apply a thin layer before the bed. I need the bed at the moment. Apply before bed, and you'll wake up with beautiful, youthful looking skin. That is a bloody tongue twister. It would seem like sorcery. This is worth £8.66, and the full size is £26. Lookfantastic.com. Let's see, shall we? Okay, so this is a mini. Oh wow, that's quite cute. I'm going to apply this before bed tonight then. See what it looks like, shall we? Tiny bit, that's all you need. Apply a tiny bit will go a long way. Look at that. Wow! It's like really jelly. Smooth. Pardon me. Yeah, it's just like a creamy gel type thing. So yeah, that is the October box. And yeah, I'm glad I've got this little chocolate thing. I'm gonna devour this after this video. And let's check up on the blush. Oh, that's quite cute actually. So yeah, that's the blush. I like the shade. It suits me very nicely. Suits my new hairstyle nicely too. Give it a thumbs up down below if you like the hairstyle as well. Took me ages to get it like this blonde. I'm gonna go blonder soon, so yeah. Mention below which box that you got. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more unboxings, and yeah, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, happy Halloween, by the way.